Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased stylebrand.in reviews and will let you know is Style Brand legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Style Brand offers variety of women wear dresses such as 5-piece active wear set, 7 pieces night set, dresses with jackets, denim jackets, cartoon printed night sets, plated dresses and so forth. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these dresses are too good to believe. Before proceeding further, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. So guys, the moment you click on the image of any product, you would be redirected to a website named as Royal Cart, which is a negative sign. But still, let's proceed to know information related to payments.
So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, PayPal, Stripe and MasterCard. And guys, here we can see that the safest and highly preferable option, that is cash on delivery, is also available. But guys, let me tell you that COD is available only for maximum value of rupees 7,500 per order. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that orders will be processed and dispatched within 48 to 72 hours of ordering, and delivery time for pre-orders placed is currently 7 to 14 working days. And apart from this, we can see that the shipping charges are not specified here. So now let's have a look on return and exchange policy. So guys, here we can see that there is no return option available. A customer can only request to exchange the products within 48 hours of delivery if in case he or she have received a damaged product. And the important point to note here is that a customer will be responsible for the reverse pickup charges. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that if once an order is placed, a customer cannot cancel it. Cancellations are issued via Royal Cart only if in case a product is unavailable. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here in About Us section, we can see that company's address is provided, and in return and exchange policy section an email ID is provided, which is info@royalcart.co.in. Apart from this guys, here you will see that there are social media links, but let me tell you that these links are misleading as they don't redirect a customer to the official social media page of Royal Cart. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Royal Cart uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of any website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration.
So guys, the domain name of stylebrand.in was registered on 6th January 2021, and here we can see that the domain is registered only for 1 year.
Apart from this guys, we can see that the trust index of the website is just 3%, which is extremely poor. Also, the owner of the domain name is hidden, which again is a negative sign. Addition to this guys, 17% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with other scam websites, and the images of the products too are duplicate. And guys, according to Alexa Traffic Ranked, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So again, it's a negative highlight.
And talking about the style brand reviews, so here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback, and despite of being almost 6 months old, I could not find even a single customer review over the reliable sites on the internet. So guys, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any website. So guys, all details such as shipping policy, return refund policy, cancellation policy and so forth are extracted from royalcart.co.in, as a user is redirected from stylebrand.in to royalcart.co.in. So guys, based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website, as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of stylebrand.in. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.